Chicken bacon ranch pasta salad. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delish. Let's get a big bite of everything. Mini pasta shells. Add that in. I rinsed them. Choose some kind of chicken. If you prefer cooking it, cook it. If not, get you about 2 cups of chicken. We're going to straight it up really good. Got 4 bacon strips and cut them up. I have a little bit of red onion and some tomatoes sliced up. I'm going to add them in here. I'm using Miracle Whip. I'm using a half of a cup. I'm using half of Daisy. A dash of milk. Some Parmesan cheese. Ranch. You can use the pack, whatever you prefer. Pepper. Give it a good mix. Garnish it with some fresh parsley. Get rest of your bacon that you have and put it on the top.